Okay, this tutorial will teach you how to change costumes on your sprite. So the first thing you want to do is save early, and then later as you go, save often. So we're going to go ahead and save as. Make sure you're in the cloud. We're going to call it costumes. And don't forget to put your last name. I'm putting Spires because that's my last name. Don't forget to save as you go because it doesn't auto-save, and definitely save at the end. Okay, so we're going to pick any costume for your sprite. Remember to do that. Make sure you're clicked on the sprite. Click on the page and go to costumes. Pick any one you want. And what we're going to do today is, since you've already learned how to just pick one, we're going to edit it. So I don't know what I want to pick. Let's see. Oh, I think a bat sounds fun. So we're going to edit. Actually, I think I'm going to go pick Alonzo. I'm going to pick Alonzo. You can pick whatever one you want. Just click on it and click import. Now, what we're going to do to edit it is we're going to go, oh, let me cancel that. We're going to come over here to where the sprite is, and we're going to edit. And what shows up, it kind of reminds you like MS Paint from way back in the day. We're just going to draw right on it. You've got all different kinds of tools, like a paint tool, a line tool, empty rectangle, filled rectangle, empty circle, filled circle, eraser, a whole filled tool so you can fill a whole section. You can mark the center, which when we start doing more rotations, that will be helpful. If you want to mark the center right in there. And then the dropper will let you pick a color from somewhere else over here and use it. But I'm going to go back to just the paintbrush tool. Okay, so we're going to just change him up a little. So, just however you want to change it up. I think I'm just going to change his eyes and make him look a little crazy. So I'm going to do a filled circle that's white. Make him have bigger eyes. Whoa, oh, that was bad. If you don't like it, you can undo. Undo's your friend. Obviously, I needed an undo. Still didn't get it in the right spot. Let me try it here. There we go. I'm going to make his eyes bigger. Whoa, he's going to have crazy eyes. Now make black centers. And again, I'm not so good at this. He's got weird eyes. He's kind of crazy looking. So I just changed his eyes a little. So he looks a little weird, but I kind of think he's cute. Okay. When you're done, click on OK. And by the way, this little checkerboard pattern makes it transparent. Anything that you use the checkerboard pattern will make it transparent. So like if I did that, that little part would be transparent. I'm going to undo it because I don't want that. Just click OK. And now that's what he looks like. Okay. So we're going to make some code. And for this code, we're going to make him rotate through his costumes a little bit. So here we go. So I'm going to do a one flag clicked. I'm going to do a forever loop. And I'm going to go to looks. Under looks, you can have him switch costumes. You can have him switch to a costume that you have on here. I think I'm actually going to go add another costume and just add like a normal Alonzo costume. So he has regular and then, oh, come on. My internet's slow. Okay. So he's going to have regular and crazy. You can like swap the order if you want. I'm going to go back to this and it's going to have it do next costume. But if I do that, it's going to go super, super fast and make me nauseous again. So what I'm going to do, so make it not go quite so fast, is go over to Control and find a wait tile. I don't think I want to make it wait like a whole second. I can try it. I think that's kind of slow. You can play around with it to whatever you like. Remember, you have choice in this for it's stuff you like. So just playing around. Now notice whenever the program's running, you'll have like this white outline around your code that's actually running. If it's not running, nothing's over here. So like if I did another block of code, oops, I don't know what I just clicked on accidentally. Like if I had these over here, when I'm running, the highlighted ones running, these ones aren't doing anything. So just let you know what ones work and what ones don't. Okay, that was kind of all you had to do. What you're going to do on your next program is you're going to make an animation by changing costumes. Do you see how you can kind of switch between costumes and he changes how he looks and then we'll turn it into an animation. Okay, make sure you save again and then you export your project. So make sure you export project. And then take that and turn it into Google Classroom.